Hey guys, planning a bike trip tomorrow, and I spoke to a friend of mine and he told me that you need to have the pollution test of the vehicle done, and if they catch you they are starting to fine you. So I said okay, since I'm going for the trip tomorrow, I do not want to take any chances of getting not getting caught and going through the entire ordeal. But if there's a rule been made, I rather follow it and get it done so that I can avoid the wastage of time. That's what I would say. I would not be wasting any further time. I can just show the certificates and yeah, we are done. Okay, now this is the bunk that does the pollution test. So there they are, open. Yoo-hoo! I thought they'll be closed, but thank goodness that they open. Okay, I am at Bengaluru service road. For two-wheeler it's supposed to be 50 rupees, which is really nice. If you don't have your test documents, then the cops do take a fine of 1000 rupees. So I would suggest you to just go ahead and get the test done so that you can save like 950 rupees and the pain of going through the process of explaining to the cop. So just get it done. So I got my pollution test for the bike done.